Today is our big day. So Sophie here wants to become the newest member of the C-Diet Elite Draw. But first, she has passed series of difficult tests. Now guys, in preparation, we are working on her agility, keen eyesight, and quick reflexes. Okay, Sophie, why don't we show them a little something? Now let's play a game of catch. Say. Good girl, come here. Hey, Daddy. Very good. Now here comes our hit actors.
Hi there, folks. Good afternoon. By the way, my name is Karina, and I would like to meet my partner. She's a senior member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol, and her name is Simba. Hey, Simba, how about a nice wave and look again? Come on. Right. You know what, folks? Here at Ocean Adventure, we care so much for the environment here. Even our sea lions want their part to protect the ocean, which of course their natural home. So they form the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. And today we'll take Sophie has qualified to become a member of this group. So guys, Sophie, let's start.
Let's see. Yes, ma'am, we are ready.
Good, then let's please stand to attention. Okay? Attention!
Louis, what are you doing? You're not supposed to sleep. Come on, wake up. Louis, wake up. Hey, would you like a fish? Huh? You know, it's been a long day of training today. I think he is a little tired.
Well, lady, when you're a member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol, you must be strong and physically fit.
Strong and physically fit. You know what? That's not a problem. Drum roll, please. Alright. Now, how's that for strength?
That was good, lady, but Simba, what can you say about that, huh? So now,
Are you see that it's better than you?
Heidi.
okay, Simba showed us what real strength looks like. Okay?
That looks really good. Magaling na magaling, magaling. Pero alam mo, I think Sophie here can do that no problem, right? You can do that, right? No? Come on! Stop eating, Sophie. Step down here and let's show them your real strength. 100%, here we go. Come on. What are you doing? You just have a broken slipper, Sophie. Come on.
So lady doesn't mean no 100%.
I guess not. But you know what? I think she can do this instead.
Wow. Simba, there's no people to that. Very nice. Now, folks, we are the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. Because this guys are South American sea lions. Let's seal. How can you tell?
We know. Well, that's because this guy participated in powerful front flippers. The guys that use the flippers to swim, a lot like a bird uses their wings to fly through the air.
That's right. They also have scalable kind flippers. So moving on then. Just like that, Simba. Now that we know how sea lions move, but scales are very different. Because they have very small front flippers. And their back flippers don't the same. So that they move as so physically.
Alright guys, so let's see Sophie's sensation of a deal. Can't hear you! Alright, that's not enough. Sophie, you know what to do? Show them a seal.
That's a seal, right?
Show them how a seal walks.
Wow, good imitation there, Sophie. How about a nice round of applause for Sophie? Good job. And guys, the Marine Patrol members must also be able to move quickly and gracefully through the water. So let's welcome Cory to get rid of the sea.
important skill.
Uh-huh.
And what would that be?
Self-control.
Self-control. You know what? Maybe we can try showing Sophie's self-control.
Okay, go ahead and show
Maybe we should give it a try, right?
Okay, try it.
Self-control. Okay. So, okay, this is what we are going to do, okay? So maybe I should ask Sophie to lie down. There you go. And then for a very juicy fish. What? You're not supposed to follow me. Come here. Okay. Now lie down. There you go. So four very juicy fish will be placed right in front of your face. Okay? So this is the rules. Don't we listen up, huh? You can only eat the fish. So you know I haven't even done with my instructions. Come here, girl. What are you doing? You are supposed to listen, okay? How can you make it to the Marine Patrol? Come on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so this is the rule. So we can only eat this fish. Wow, you know what? I've had enough. You know what? Maybe Simba will show us what self-control really is. Go ahead, Simba.
Okay, JD, but folks, this time it will be more
Now you need to
difficult.
work on that, okay?
Because instead on the floor, I will place the fish on top of Simba's big nose, okay? Just like this. Where she can balance, but she cannot get it unless I clap my hand. So folks, let's pull Simba. Come on, clap your hands. Louder. That is self-control. Okay. Good job, Simba. JD and Sophie can have a little break now.
Yep, we need to work on that self-control.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to work on
Is
that.
that right? And Simba, let's just wait for option
Come here, girl.
C. Okay, go to the same shape the Marine Patrol likes to speak and excited comments of strength and agility. That is the Iron Sea Lion kind of law. So, we're looking for a volunteer who thinks they're strong, brave, and adult enough to become a member of the Marine Patrol. Okay, anyone? Oh, we need an adult male, guys. Adult male. Anyone? Come on. Oh, let me see. Can you help me, Officer Christine? Help me to find where? The guy is in the purple top.